Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Windows. First, you'll want to visit the official Roblox website to download the installer. Once downloaded, simply run the file and follow the straightforward instructions to install the application on your computer. After installation, you can either create a brand new Roblox account or log in using your existing credentials. It's a quick and easy process to get started with millions of experiences. To ensure a smooth experience, your computer should run Windows 7, 8, 10, or 11. We recommend a processor with a clock speed of at least 1.6 GHz. You'll also need at least 1 GB of system memory. For visuals, a graphics card that supports DirectX 9 or higher is crucial. Meeting these specifications will help you enjoy the vast world of Roblox without any major hiccups. Once logged in, you can explore the enormous library of user-created games. Simply click on any game's thumbnail to see more details about it. When you're ready to jump in, just press the prominent green play button. In most games, you'll use the W, A, S, D keys on your keyboard for character movement, and your mouse will control the camera, allowing you to look around and interact with the environment. If you encounter any issues, try updating your graphics drivers. This often resolves performance problems. Closing any unnecessary background applications can also free up valuable system resources, leading to a smoother gaming experience. Always ensure your internet connection is stable and fast for seamless gameplay. If persistent technical issues arise, a clean reinstallation of Roblox can often fix many common problems, getting you back into the action quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.